Ants exhibit remarkable collective behavior that allows them to efficiently gather food and support their colony's needs. Ants communicate primarily through chemical signals called pheromones, which play a crucial role in determining how much food the colony needs. When ants find a food source, they use pheromones to lay down scent trails as they return to the nest. The intensity of the pheromone trail corresponds to the quality and quantity of the food source. Ants from the same colony will follow these scent trails to locate the food and bring it back to the nest. Here's how it works. Food discovery. When a forager ant discovers a food source, it picks up the food and starts heading back to the nest. Pheromone deposition. As the forager ant returns to the nest, it releases pheromones along the path it took. The more ants travel along this path, the stronger the pheromone trail becomes. Recruitment. Other ants from the colony encounter the pheromone trail. The strength of the pheromone signal indicates the quality and quantity of the food source. Stronger trails indicate a better food source. Feedback loop. Ants that follow the trail to the food source pick up more food and, in turn, reinforce the pheromone trail on their way back to the nest. This positive feedback loop strengthens the trail and attracts even more ants to the food source. Saturation point. As more ants are recruited to the food source, the rate of reinforcement of the pheromone trail increases. Eventually, the trail reaches a saturation point where the food source is fully exploited, and the pheromone trail stabilizes. Through this process of collective decision-making and communication via pheromones, ants can efficiently allocate their foraging efforts and adjust their food collection based on the colony's current needs. If a food source is depleted or no longer available, the pheromone trail will fade, and the ants will explore new areas in search of alternative food sources. This dynamic system ensures that ants can effectively gather the necessary food to support the needs of their hungry colony.